Light mods.
That's a cool color. I like that.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Let's get it.
We'll go around this side, check out the other ones, and we'll go walk around and see all the other cars. Sound good?
Yep.
Look at that. Man, that is beautiful.
Solid side mount.
Some Miatas have their hoods open.
Well, some of them, their engines are all built. They're all built up and custom. I like that one with the red lip on the bottom of it. That's cool. I like this one right here. It's a Mazda Speed. Oh, here comes that red one that we saw earlier. Ooh, the Supra over there. You'll see that one?